Atlantiques Gallery brings to you a professionally restored and framed artwork, incl Bosque, in the woods. Unknown, oil on canvas, 19th century. Oil on canvas, 19th century, with strong wall presence. See more at atlantiques.co.uk. Its appeal is atmospheric. Depth, light and setting give the composition strong decorative presence and an immediate place in a collector's interior. Look closely at the full composition, then at the details, atmospheric depth, decorative scale, restored viewing appeal. These are the qualities that give the painting its wall presence and collector appeal. The catalogue notes strengthen the story of the piece, connecting its composition, subject and visual language with related works and the tradition behind it. Its restoration adds to the sense of care around the object, bringing the surface, color, and presentation into a condition that invites confident inspection. The framed presentation matters. Oil on canvas is offered as a complete object, with condition, frame, and visual presence all contributing to its appeal.